Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we're going to tackle the issue of a broken connector on the Dyson SV12 vacuum. This common problem can lead to performance issues, but with the right tools and techniques, it can be fixed at home. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll need a few tools to get started. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soldering iron. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Begin by unplugging the vacuum. Safety is essential, so ensure it's completely powered off before you start. Next, examine the connector area carefully. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws that secure the connector housing. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the connector housing using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or surrounding components. Inside, you'll see the wiring that connects to the motor. This is often where the issue lies. Next, inspect the wires for any visible damage or disconnection. If you notice a broken connection, you might need to solder the wires back together. Heat up your soldering iron and prepare your solder. Carefully twist the exposed wire ends together before applying the solder. This creates a solid connection that will restore functionality to your vacuum. While you're working on the connector, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Dust buildup can affect performance, so use a soft brush or compressed air to clean out any debris. If you're uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. After soldering and cleaning, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the connector housing back in its original position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug, but be careful not to over-tighten. Now, plug in your Dyson SV12 and power it on. Check the connector to ensure it's functioning properly. If everything is working, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum. However, if you're still experiencing issues, consider reaching out for a quote before repair. Our services ensure you get expert help without the need for calls or travel. This repair not only saves you money but can also extend the life of your Dyson SV12. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your vacuum in top shape. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you with your repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.